Welcome to Electro Empowered. Now let's discuss a question on whatever information I gave to you in my previous video. We are asked to plot a 3 variable k-map for this function. Now if you have given any function and you are asked to plot the k-map or the find the minterms, okay. First of all, try to simplify the expression using this binary values. For example, I told you in my last video that a bar is represented as 0 is represented as a bar and 1 is represented as a in SOP form. For the POS form, it just becomes reverse, that is a will be represented as 0 and a bar will be represented as 1 for the POS form. Okay, this is for POS form, not for SOP. Now in here, this is a bar b bar c also 0 0 0, it is a bar b bar c, so 0 0 1 and a b bar c, that is 1 0 1. Okay, now plot the write the entire truth table according to the 8-bit system, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, and all the minterms will be in the serial order. Now write the 1 for this particular binary combination wherever you see it, like this 0, so you have to write 1 here. For this combination you have to write 1 here, for this combination you have to write 1 here. Now focus on the 1. As per this truth table, for plot the k-map. To plot the k-map, what you should do, I told you in my last video that you should write the variables on the opposite sides of this line. So this side you wrote one variable, this side you wrote two variables. If you wrote one variable, you have to write only two, you have left with only two combinations, 0 and 1. For these two variables you have four different combinations, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. But I also told you that is an important point, you have to switch the last two values, as any two adjacent cells of a k-map should not differ by more than 1 bit. So this 2 came here, 6 came here. Okay, don't forget this fact, this is very important. It can go wrong when you solve faster in exams. Now plot the 1 according to this position. It is 0 1 and 5. Now do you see any groups? I told you have to first group 8 cells, then 4 cells, then 2 cells, then 1 cell. We cannot see 8 ones here, so this is discarded. We also cannot see 4 ones, we can see 2 ones, that is this one and this one. Okay, and according to that, as I told you in my previous video, you have to write the expression. Now let's move on to the next question. We are asked to draw k-map for a function, but now we also have to show the groupings. So just like I told you in the previous question, you should follow this scheme for SOP form, a bar 0 a1, and you have to write the binary values according to that. Here it should be a bar b bar c, that is 0 0 1, a bar b c, so 0 1 1, a b c, no complement, so all 3 1. Now I have not written the entire truth table due to space issue, so this combination should give 1, this should give 1, this should give 1, and it is 1 3 5 7. Now how did I write it as 1 3 7? I compared it from this table. See, it is 1 m1, this is 3, and this is 7. I took only these three values. You get it? I took only these three values, m1 m3 m7, and I wrote it here. Okay, now plot the k-map. Again, write the variables on this side. You always follow this convention, don't write a on this side, you will just get confused and nothing else. So always try to follow this convention, because you need to save your time and solve the question in the correct way. So now write these two options, there, always switch these two. Okay, so 0 1 3 2 0 4 5, you try to count this way, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Whenever you go from 1 to 2, go to that side direct and then come back. When you go from 5 to 6, go to that side direct and come back. Now plot the values of 1 3 and 7, 1 3 and 7. Now you have to group like this. You can't see 4 ones, so you group like this, 2 ones, you group like this, 2 ones. Now what will you get the value of f as? 1 plus 2. Okay, now how to write this expression? I am also writing. It is not asked in the question, but I am yet writing it. So how will you write? For the first group, it is a is 0, so for 0 you have to write a bar. Okay, now for the which value is changing? B is changing from 0 to 1, C is constant, so I am writing C. Now for the second group, A is changing from 0 to 1, so forget about it. C is constant 1, B is constant 1, so I am writing B, C. This is the answer. Thank you.